Psst. Not you either. Psst.
I think she was.
I know the ombudsman too.
Hey, what did you steal?
No, I didn't steal. He helped me. So what happened was...
I have dyslexia and it sucks because I'm always struggling to keep up with assignments and exams at school, right? But my mum heard from some lady in a book club, who heard from some man in a boat club, who heard from some other man in a cricket team, that their child's school got funding for students like me with learning difficulties. And my mum was like, say what? And so she hits up our school with an OIA to request the high school policy to see what support students with learning difficulties can get.
What's an OIA? Obviously it's an official information act.
Yeah, so me and other students with learning difficulties could be getting more support this whole time. But do you know what? Our school didn't even respond.
Idiots.
So we hit up the ombudsman and I told him what's going on. And the ombudsman was like, yo, I suggest you recognise Mede's request.
And then my request was recognised.
Me, good on you.
The ombudsman, he's all goodsman.